Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today I am here with you with the practice set tree of articles. Student, here there are 50 questions of articles. Fill in the blanks with a or an where necessary. If there is no need, put a cross mark. Students, in our video lecture, we have already read that where to put a or an. Student, before consonant sound we put a and before vowel sound we put n. Now come on here, question number 1. Dash MA. Student, MA. M, how we write M? Like this in Hindi. So what is the sound here? A. A is which sound? Vowel sound. So write N here. NMA. Second one, dash NCC. So how we write N? First letter is what? N. So how we write N? Like this. N. Again here student, vowel sound. So write N. Third one, dash SDO. So SDO. Again student, how we write S? Like this. So what is the sound here? A. So A is what? Vowel sound. So write N. Now number 4, dash ox. Ox. O. O. What is the sound here? O. So O is what? Vowel. Vowel sound. So write N. Next, dash elephant. Elephant. A. A. What is the sound here? A. Elephant. A. So here it is vowel sound. Write N. Dash owl. Owl. A. What is the sound here? A. Vowel sound. So write N. So student, here all the questions are of vowel sound. Now next one is students. Dash egg. Egg. Egg starts with how we write here student? Egg. A. A is what? Vowel sound. So write N here. Number 8, dash orange. Orange. Orange again student starts with O. So O is what? Vowel sound. So write N. Next, N R dash art. Art. A. Again here student A. A is which sound? Vowel sound. So write N. Now student, question number 10, ants. What is ants here student? Plural. So we can't put any article before plural noun. So here we put what? Cross. No article. Now number 11 student, effect. So E. What is the sound here? E. So what is E sound? Vowel sound. So write N. Number 12, IE. A. Dash I. A. So what is A here student? Vowel sound. So write N here. Number 13, dash Indian. Indian. Again student, E sound here. So E is what? Vowel. So write N here. Now next one. Number 14 student, dash epoch. Epoch. E. Again here E. So E is what here student? Vowel sound. So write N. Number 15, dash oxen. Student, we know that here oxen is plural one. So before plural noun we can't write A or N. There is no article. So put cross here. Now dash ink pot. Ink pot. Again what is the sound here? E. So write N here. Dash eggs. Eggs. Eggs is what student? Plural. So no article. Dash MP. M. M. How we write student? M, like this. So what is the sound here? A. So write here N. Vowel sound. Member. What is? How is it start student? Which sound? Ma. So what is ma? Ma is consonant sound. So write here A. Now next one, question number 20. Heroes. Dash heroes. Heroes is student plural one. So there will be no article. So put cross here. Now question number 21. Dash MPs. Student, MPs. Again MPs is what? Plural one. So there must not be any article. Now next question number 23. Dash engineer. So student, engineer here. So engineer is what? Vowel sound N. So here N engineer. Now question number 25. U. Student, EWU. It's how it sound here? U. So what is the sound here? Ya. Ya is what? Consonant sound. So write a here. Next one, dash FO. F. How we write F? Like this. So what is the sound here? F. A. A starts with A sound. So it is vowel sound. So write N here. Now next one, dash eulogist. Eulogist. Ya. What is the sound here, student? Ya. It starts with E, that is vowel, but the sound is here ya. So here consonant sound A. Consonant sound, that's why the answer will be A. Now student, next one, 31, dash units. Units is plural na, so there will be no article, cross. Now next one, question number 33 again, umpires. Student, umpires plural here, that's why no article. Next one, useful. So after useful there is no noun, so there will be no article. Now dash beautiful. So after beautiful there is no noun, so there will be no article. Now next question number 22, student, dash era. A. What is the sound here? A. So A is what? Vowel sound. So write N here. Now question number 24, student, dash eulogy. Student, so what is eulogy here? Eulogy. Yeah. What is the sound here? Yeah. So A is a eulogy. Now next one, 26, dash excuse. Student, excuse. So what is here? Excuse. A. What is the sound here? A sound. A is what? Vowel. So write N here. Now next one, dash Urdu poet. Urdu. Oo. What is the sound here? Oo. Oo is what? Vowel sound. So write N here. N Urdu poet. Next one, dash university. University starts with U, that is vowel, but the sound is here ya. So vowels, it is consonant sound, student. Ya is consonant sound, that's why A. Next one, dash union. Again here, student, starts with U, that is vowel, but the sound is here union. So ya starts with ya. So again here a union. Now next one, dash umbrella. Student, umbrella. So here what is it? Umbrella starts with a sound. So write, this is vowel sound. So write N here. Now next one, dash useful book. Here student, after useful there is book. So we can write here article. We can put here article because there is noun here book, and the article must be according to the sound of first letter. What is here? Useful. So first word is here useful. So useful starts with the sound ya. So write here which sound it is? Consonant sound. So a useful book. Now next one, 38 again, beautiful girl. So beautiful starts with ba sound. So ba is what? Which sound? Consonant sound. So write a. Now student, question number 39, dash ink. Student, we all know that ink is what? Uncountable noun. So before uncountable noun we can't put any article. Now next one, question number 40, dash wooden table. So wooden table, wa. What is the sound here? Wa sound. So it is consonant sound. So a wooden table. Dash 1 rupee note. 1. It start with O, that is vowel, but the sound is here 1. So which sound it is? Wa. Wa is what, student? Consonant sound. Consonant sound. So write here A. 42, dash unique man. Man is noun, so we can put here article. And what is the first word? Unique. So unique starts with which sound? Ya sound. So ya is what? Consonant sound. So write A here. Next, 43, dash utensil. Utensil starts with ya sound, student. So ya is what? Consonant sound. So write A here. 44, dash universal truth. Again here, student, ya sound. So write A here. Now next, 45, student, question number 45, Dash MLC, MLC. So first letter M. M, how we pronounce M? Like this. So what is the first sound here? A. M, M. So M starts with vowel sound A. So write here N. 46. Dash holy river. River is noun, so we can put here article. So dash holy, 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 holy student. H is which sound? Consonant sound. So write A here. 47. Dash water. Water is uncountable noun, so we can't put any article here. Now dash Asia. Student, Asia is proper noun, so we can't put any article here. Dash editor. Editor. A. So A is what, student? Vowel sound. So write N here, an editor. Question number 50. Dash glass of milk. Student. So glass, G sound here. G is consonant sound. So write A here. A glass of water. So student, we have done 50 questions of articles here. I will come another set of articles and other topics. Keep watching my videos. Thank you for watching my video, student. Like it, share my videos and subscribe my channel.